morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just woke up and I am super excited for today because today I am going over to a friend's house and we are watching this trendy series. I am so excited and happy.
First of all, I love her so much, and she's such a positive person, so I'm really happy to be meeting her. जब बहुत कम लोग मुझे पसंद आते हैं, so but I like her so much.
Anyways, I woke up this early. जबकि मैं सोई थी 4 बजे 5 बजे. I was working like a crazy person रात को and I had a terrible headache, but if it's not like that then it wouldn't be a job. But I woke up this early because हमने पूरी सीरीज ख़त्म करने का प्लान तो बनाया है, तो हम इसलिए जल्दी मिल रहे हैं. So yeah, I'm just going to go and we can pick an outfit together and then I'm going to just wear my outfit and start with the makeup. And I'm also filming the makeup look. So I'm so excited for that. I'm done selecting the outfit and I think this is the outfit that I'm going to wear. It's a dress from Sahai. So I'm going to be wearing a yellow toned क्या कहते हैं इनको, पजामा कहते हैं, pants, शलवार नहीं है ये. Also I am taking this dupatta with it, or this is how it looks. And for my shoes, I'm going to show you guys my shoes later. So let's just get dressed ASAP because the goal is to reach there by 10. मेरी उससे दोस्त से तो यही बात हुई है, मगर I think I'm gonna get a little late because बाबा थोड़ा सा यहाँ से late ही उठेंगे. I'm pretty sure, like he's my dad. I know him so well. I think वो थोड़ा सा late उठेंगे. This is my outfit. I think it looks pretty cute because the summer colors and summer look great always. I'm just going to run. Also, guess what time it is? It is 8:50 a.m. right now. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए बैठी कि मैं थोड़ी सी टिकटॉक्स जो है वो अपने ड्राफ्ट्स में डाल लूँ, उनका ब्रीफ पहला वाला पार्ट जस्ट ऐसे ही सेव करके, ताकि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जल्दी से बन जाए. और 8:51 a.m. हो गए. Like it's been 40+ minutes कि मैं ये काम कर रही हूँ. Anyways, I think I can still do it because मैं करती हूँ ये, तो I am pretty used to meeting deadlines like that. Even though it's not a deadline, it's a deadline for me because मेरे जो वालिद साहब है ना, I'm just going to go do some makeup. Also, I'm going for a very natural kind of that girl kind of makeup. So yes, I'm going to be doing that. After I do that, I'm going to be changing my earrings and yes, I'm going to show you guys. 9:34 a.m. and I just finished my makeup and I love how it turned out. Like, it looks so pretty and cute and simple. Also, do you guys see how the eyes are sparkling? It's because of, first of all, that this white liner, then because of this shimmer. Now I have very limited time, so I'm just going to go and I think I'm going to straighten my hair today. बहुत time से नहीं किया, so I'm just going to go straighten my hair. I am done halfway through. I'm done with this side. Did my hair. It looks a little crazy because मैंने पीछे किया है. Anyways, I'm a little hungry, so I'm going to be eating the mango dessert. It's a creamy yogurt mango dessert. So yeah, I'm just going to eat a little bit, and then I'm just going to wear my jewelry, wear my shoes, and then make some videos. Don't find me weird, but I'm going to be wearing this bracelet, bracelet. But I'm not going to be wearing it with gold like earrings. I'm going to be wearing these earrings. दूसरा क्योंकि ये जो है इसके अंदर है, it goes pretty well. Let's start with it. I'm going to be wearing my favorite ये वाले, and somehow this matches it everything. जब मैं ये ले रही थी, I thought कि ये बहुत मुश्किल से चीज़ों के साथ मैच होंगे, तभी मैंने इनको इतनी मुश्किलों से ढूंढ के लाइक वो मरून के साथ पेयर किया था, वो भी देख के Pinterest से कि किस कलर के साथ ये मैच होंगे. Then this goes so well with every color. It's going good. Now what I have to do is just finish off the makeup tutorial. Uski last part, I have to film the intro and the last part, also some slow motion videos. Second, I have to make a transition reel from my Instagram to make some TikToks. So let's just go and quickly do that. And it is currently 10 a.m. और अभी जाने का थोड़ी देर के बाद कर सकते हैं. I am all done filming everything. I think I filmed 6 to 7. No, I didn't. Wait. I did the TikToks. I'm done with them. I did the reel. I'm done with it. I'm done with the YouTube video जो tutorial है वो भी हो गया. तो 3 ही हो गए. Why did I say 6? Like, am I crazy? Okay. So I'm done. I'm just going to wait. And maybe I'm going to have tea before I go. I'm so happy that I got done. Its makeup is giving what it needs to give. Okay. While I wait, शायद मैं चाहती हूँ उसके लिए अगर मैं वेट कर रही हूँ तो मैं I think I'm just going to go make my bag. उसमें जो भी मुझे चीज़ें रखनी. Back. It's 8 p.m. and I had such a good day. Enjoyed a lot. We had so much fun. I'm on my way back home and I just have some things to do. So after I reach home, also I was filming a video yesterday. I have to complete that video as well. So yeah, we have some things to do after I reach home. Okay, so I just got back home and I'm just going to have my dinner really quickly because I have the dance class starting at 9 p.m. and I have to take that class. I'm not tired, panicking a little because मेरी class start होने वाली है और मैंने खाना नहीं खाया हुआ. मुझे अपना dress भी change करना होगा. I'm going to do that. Also, खाना खाते साथ साथ I think I have to upload a video as well. So in these 20 minutes, I have to upload a YouTube video as well. Wish me luck. I just finished the dance class and I'm just going to go and drink a cup of tea and then I have to do the dishes. I finished my dance class. I did some journaling. I had a cup of tea. I uploaded the YouTube video. I am done. Let's talk a little bit before I end today's video. I finished all the tasks from today's to-do list. Like, look at this to-do list. I had so much written for today. I don't know, like I'm done with all of them. So let's just talk about some important things now. Okay, so many people ask me how I stay motivated and they always ask for tips on, how they can keep themselves motivated this summer. The only thing that I would say, as soon as you wake up, do not pick up your phone. Just get straight out of your bed, make your bed, wash your face, get started with your day. Okay? Another tip that I have for you guys is plan out your entire day one day before. You will see how the results will be super effective and you can stay motivated that way. The third thing is do not compare yourself to social media influencers, celebrities, bloggers. Vloggers, don't compare yourself to anyone. बहुत दफ़ा कि you are feeling motivated और एकदम से आपके सामने कोई ऐसी चीज़ आती है कि you compare yourself to that person और एकदम से आपका mood इतना नीचे हो जाता है and you feel so low. It is such a bad thing. You feel so low. You don't feel like yourself. आपको दिल ही नहीं करता फिर के आपको दिल ही नहीं करता कि वो काम करने का जिसके लिए आप basically खड़े हुए थे. The fourth and the most important thing and the last thing is after planning out what you have to do the next day, as soon as you lie down to sleep that day, आपने क्या करना है कि just think about, you know, how good it will feel to complete all the tasks. You know, go shopping if you want to go shop. You do not feel like getting out of your bed this summer. You do not feel like, you know, just leaving that favorite show of yours to just complete your work. If you are a makeup artist, you want to create looks, but you do not feel like it. You just want to scroll and scroll and scroll. And, you know, makeup artists creating different looks. Just get up, ठीक है. और जब आपने प्लान किया है, जब आप रात को सो रहे हैं ना, आपने बस वो चीज़ इमेजिन करनी है कि हाउ गुड इट विल फील जब आपका काम वो हो जाएगा, ठीक है. द सेटिस्फैक्शन दैट इट विल गिव यू. जब आप उठेंगे और आपके पास ऑलरेडी एक प्री प्लान टू डू लिस्ट होगी उस दिन के लिए, तो फिर इट विल बी द परफेक्ट टाइम टू डू दैट वर्क. इस तरह से यू कैन कीप योर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. Lastly, what you have to do is keep getting inspired by other people, ठीक है. Instead of jealousy, instead of being jealous, instead of copying others, this is very important. Be yourself. People would start liking you for you. These are my tips for staying motivated. Okay, now it's time for some girl talk. This is a follower of mine who asked me how to deal with bad people who were once your closest friends in university. Since I have dealt with people like that myself, very bad people, since I learned my lesson the hard way, I would tell you guys, do not get close to people easily first. Don't get very close to people easily. Second, don't get attached. If you know you have a sensitive heart, if you know that you are sensitive, first of all, don't tell that to anyone. And then secondly, don't get attached to people, ठीक है. आप आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपके लिए कोई एफर्ट कर रहे हैं तो आप उसके लिए एफर्ट बैक ना करें. करें, बिल्कुल करें, उसके लिए भी एफर्ट डालें, ठीक है. लेकिन डोंट गेट अटैच्ड. शी इज़ माई ओनली फ्रेंड, ही इज़ माई ओनली फ्रेंड. डू नॉट थिंक दैट, बिकॉज ऐसा आप सोचेंगे आपने अगले बंदे को बता दिया तो, स्पेशली यूनिवर्सिटी में. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑल यूनिवर्सिटी फ्रेंड्स आर बैड, बट दे विल इवेंचुअली थिंक कि भाई कुछ भी हो जाए, दे वुड, यू नो, यू वुड नॉट लीव दैम. थर्ड टिप इज़, अगर आपको कोई ऐसा इंसान मिल गया जो आपका बहुत करीबी दोस्त था पहले और अब उसने कुछ ऐसी हरकत कर दिया जिसकी वजह से गाइस आर नॉट फ्रेंड्स एनीमोर, डूइंग समथिंग बैड, ट्राई टू अवॉइड देम, ठीक है. साइलेंस is the best answer to fools like these. Honestly, just do not reply to them. Do not, you know, do not give them anything. Do not even look at them. Don't talk to them. Don't talk about them. Fourth is that give them the silent treatment and do not talk about them with anyone, ठीक है. क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता कि अगला इंसान भी उनके साथ मिला हुआ हो सकता है या नहीं. Fifth is believe in the rule that if you have no friends, that's fine. Believe me, girl, you are going to be okay. If you have no friends, that is absolutely fine. You will find the right people, the right person one day. Just believe in it, ठीक है. You do not have to find friends, because you do not find friends, आपकी दोस्ती बस हो जाती है. If you go out searching for friends, तब जाके इशू होता है, because तब कहीं ना कोई चीज़ रह जाती है. Also, if ऐसा हुआ है कि आपकी किसी से बात ख़त्म हो गई है and they are behaving badly towards you or they are spreading something bad about you, believe in that कि आपको उनसे डील करने की अब ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Why? Because they were never your friends. एक दोस्त कभी भी इवन बात ख़त्म हो जाने के बाद कभी आपके बारे में बात नहीं करता बुरी तरीके से. Even if you guys are not friends anymore, I say it really clearly, a real friend would never go behind your back, even if you are in front of them or even if you are not. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope that this video was helpful for you all, because I'm super tired right now and I just want to sleep right now, but first I have to pray. I also have a mango shake right now and have some snacks, so maybe I'm going to, you know, have some snacks, watch some Netflix and do some editing and then go to bed. But thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.